So, there's little birds trying to fit in this nest. How are they supposed to get in there? I think if we got in there, I think there will be no more. But I hear them. Oh, this fell over here. Wait, I literally saw a bird. Aw, I want to see the baby birds. Oh, I see one out the window. I need to pee so bad, but oh yes. Oh my god. There was like, oh my god, I'm literally, oh yes. Did you saw that? Yes. Oh my god, they're literally scared of the camera. Oh my god, I need to literally pee so bad. Okay, BRB. Okay, back. I think there's no more. I saw in the bathroom that. Oh my god! Look at the sunset, and there was. I saw in the bathroom there was a second nest. Oh my god, they're flying so fast! But they gonna go to the bathroom and sleep there because there's a second nest. I think there's a big family. No, I think they're like getting some food from the. I think they're getting some leaves there because oh my god, one just got out. I'm really tired of holding this thing. One just, whoa, two. That was so epic. That was literally so epic. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.